Do you like this video? It's interesting, isn't it? My creator Fikayo will teach you how he created me.
And in this video, he will teach you how I'm making him over $28,267 a month. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends in order to encourage him.
Now, here is Sky Pellegrini, and she is an Instagram influencer. She posts content which goes viral on a regular basis. These are a couple of other influencer accounts that are doing good as well. And it's incredible because it's very easy to create. And I'm going to be walking you step by step on how to create them. In this video, you're going to be learning every single thing that you need to know on how to start and run an AI influencer model agency. But not just that, I'm also going to be teaching you how to use this type of content to make money online. Before we continue, please make sure you subscribe and like, share this video, and also drop a comment below as well. Without wasting much time, let's get into our video. Now, to get started, the first thing you need to do is to figure out the niche that you want to get into, because there are so many niches out there. In just influencing niche alone, there's supermodel, there's music artist, and the likes. So you want to figure out which niche is best for you. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the influencer niche, right? Specifically, the supermodel niche. Now, you can see this one is a model, like a supermodel. Now, creating your model takes a lot of steps, but I'm going to be walking you through it one after the other. So you have to have your prompts ready. I'm going to have all the prompts ready for you in the description. So this is my prompt, and if you look through, you can see two things are present here. That is the positive prompt and the negative prompt. You need a positive prompt to tell the AI the exact thing that you want, the exact things that you want to see in your image, right? And you need the negative prompt to tell the AI the things that you don't want in your image. I am going to teach you how to do that very soon. So you don't want any errors. You don't want mixing images. You know, it generates a fair lady today, tomorrow it generates a dark lady, and then the next day generates a child. You don't want any of that. You want consistent images and you want perfect looking images. So the first positive prompt that you need is a breakdown of the character that you want to generate. So you have to think of the character. If you can't, you can easily download an image of an influencer online, then import that into ChatGPT, then type in the prompt that it should describe this image. But we know it can't exactly describe it. That is where our variation comes in. Then you have to instruct it to add positive and negative prompts in the prompt to be generated. So now we have the prompt for our image. The next thing is to input our prompt into Google Gemini. So we will copy our prompt and paste it into Google Gemini and select Nano Banana. And boom, just like that, we have our image. Then I will go back to ChatGPT and ask it to put her in a classic red dress. Then I will paste it in Google Gemini. As you can see, the images are consistent with the first one I generated. Then I will also change the clothing option once. So I will ask it to generate it of her in a blouse and denim jeans, and of her sitting down, just as an example. Then we go and paste that into our Google Gemini workflow as well. Then boom, we have all the images we want to use for our scene. Then we move into the second part of this video, which is the video generation. So here, you're also going to have your video generation prompt, okay, which is this one. Here you can see the script for scene 1, and here you can see the script for scene 2, script for scene 3. I usually limit my videos to just a few scenes if I'm doing shots for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, because of the 1-minute mark. We're going to be using Google Flow. So here you're going to go ahead and generate our video, and you're definitely going to copy your prompt and paste it. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to use this simple prompt here in order to generate our video. A model with a New York accent speaking to the handheld camera saying that in this video, Fikayo will teach you step by step how he created me and how I'm making him over $28,267 a month. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. So in another tab, I'll type in Google Flow, then click on the first link, then I will change this settings to frames to video. Make sure Veo 3.1 is selected here, then click on this plus icon to import our image, then select the image, Then I'm just going to go ahead, copy our earlier prepared prompt, and then paste this, send it, and let it generate for a few minutes. Then boom, just like that, our video is ready. Then for our second scene, we will copy the prompt, then paste it and click on this arrow. Then wait for our video to be generated. And I'll do the same for the last scene. Then I'll copy it and then wait for it to generate. Then download all our clips. One thing to note is to make sure you're not putting longer sentences because the AI cannot generate longer sentences per time. You can create slight variations for your subsequent videos. You can change the hair color at any time because as an influencer, you get to switch hairs, right? So you get to change your hair colors. You can even add makeup at some point. Add makeup and all of that. So it just depends on the prompt during image generation. So on how to use this to make money, now number one, which is the most important one, is monetization. That is video monetization. You're going to be able to monetize the videos. That is, if you're posting it on TikTok, Facebook, even X and YouTube are going to pay you for posting viral videos. So if you post a video, you're going to get paid for that video based on people's engagements on that video. And then the second is brand and product influence. So you're going to be influencing brands, and this is something that is very, very lucrative these days because all the brands want visibility. And because it's a supermodel and an influencer, it is going to get a lot of followers, a lot of traction on the page, and that translates to money. So brands are going to come for brand influencing, brand marketing. And then number three is product sales. Now, you can sell your own product. It could be a merch, it could be a physical product, it could be a digital product. Any type of product you can come up with is totally fine. All you have to do is to just put a product out and there are people that are going to buy. And that is why niching is important. So if you have a niche, all you have to do is to create a product around that niche, right? You have to create a product. If it's a lifestyle niche, then you have to create a lifestyle product or find a lifestyle product that you're going to start selling on your page, and you're going to be making a lot of money. And number four is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money as an influencer. And because you have chains of influencers, like 5 or 10, you're going to be making an insane amount of money using affiliate marketing. Because with affiliate marketing, you can get commissions anywhere between 8% to 50%, depending on the product that you're marketing. You can do this effortlessly and start making money even while you sleep. Now, the next one, which is number 5, is fan platforms. Now, there are so many platforms out there where fans can gift their celebrities or people that they admire or their content creators or their influencers. They can easily give them or sign up to something just to appreciate their work. For YouTube is YouTube stickers and memberships. So people are going to join your membership just to support you and maybe get 1 or 2 things in return if you want to. If you don't want to, you can just create solely for support. You're going to download all the scenes, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and the next thing you need to do is to just go over to any editor of your choice. It could be CapCut, it could be Premiere Pro, any editor of your choice, and just join all of them together. Export them, and your video is ready, because it's done sequentially. And if you want to learn more ways to use AI to make money from the comfort of your home, remember to like and subscribe.